All right, everybody. It's severe thunderstorm time. It's time for the severe thunderstorm. But I don't know the cold front somewhere. I think the cold front somewhere here. I'm not sure. But it's severe thunderstorm time. Severe thunderstorm time, y'all. This is the most strongest wind I've ever heard in a while. This is worse than that night when we had that storm. This is bad. Wow, y'all, this is bad. The wind just got worse. Yo! What the freak? Do y'all hear this wind? We might lose a tree today, y'all. We about to lose a tree. We about to lose a tree. We about to lose a tree. Yo, we about to lose a tree. Yo, what the world? Y'all, the severe thunderstorm is coming from that way. It's coming from our west. That's where the severe thunderstorm is coming from. It's coming from our west. And my mama just said, don't get blown away. It's crazy out. It's crazy, y'all. Wow. Dude, these winds are severe. Now, if you want to know what severe winds look like, I never seen wind like this. Oh, Lord, just look at that. The storm is coming from our west. Y'all, I hear a really strong gust of wind. There it goes. Ridiculous. Wow. I'm trying to keep the camera still. Y'all, the severe thunderstorm is almost here. And we are getting wrecked with strong winds right now. Wow. Y'all, look at that. I keep hearing snap noises. That's ridiculous. A tree just fell, y'all. A tree just fell over there. Y'all, a tree just fell over there. Y'all, a tree just fell over there. Like a piece of tree just snapped, y'all. Y'all, this is the most strongest wind I've ever seen. Like, I keep saying it, but this time I mean it. I mean it this time. I promise. I mean it. Wait. Well, on my other page, on my old TikTok channel, I used to say, this is the strongest wind I've ever seen. like all the time, but this time I mean this one. I mean this. I mean this thing. I mean it. I mean it, y'all. I promise. I mean it. This is probably the strongest wind I've ever seen. All right, y'all. It was raining, y'all. We had to take cover in our little cover house right here. A little cover house. This was going on. It's raining. Oh Lord. Do y'all hear that darn wind? I don't like the sound of that wind.